guys, so today we're going to be talking about accents and ghost notes when we're drumming. Best thing about these is that you can do them on your lap, you can do them on like a practice pad, and you can do them on a drum kit. You don't have to have a full drum kit to do these exercises. You can do them on one drum as well, so if you don't have a full drum kit you can do them on one drum. That is the best thing about these. Okay, so first off, accents are notes that are hit a lot louder than the other notes. So that might sound really confusing right now, but it is quite hard to explain other than do. So accents, for example, if you are going to do a semi-quaver and you're doing right, left, Coca-Cola, okay? Let's say I'm going to put my accents on the notes that I'm playing with my right hand, okay? So that would be right, left. Okay, so my right notes are a lot louder. Let me try that again, okay? Right, left. Just like that, okay? It sounds a lot better on an acoustic drum, but you can still hear it on an electric drum, okay? Let me try it again. Ready? Left. Okay, brilliant. This doesn't mean that the left hands are doing are playing it any quieter than you would normally play it, okay? If you're just playing a normal semi-quaver, okay, they would just be normal, not too loud, not too quiet, okay? So remember that you're not doing your left hand any quieter, okay? Just normal. So let's try that again. Ready? You can try it with me if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Okay, so if you speed that up a little bit, it would sound like this. Okay, can you see how I'm sort of emphasising it with my hand as well? I'm sort of lifting it a bit more because these are a little bit faster than normal. So let's try that again. Brilliant. Okay, so next one I'm going to do is we'll do right, left. Sticking on those semi-quavers, okay? So we're still doing Coca-Cola, but instead of right, left, we're going to do right, left instead. What we're going to do now is, this might be a little bit tricky, but like I've said, you can replay this video as many times as you want. It doesn't have to take a day, it doesn't have to take a week to do these exercises, to master these exercises. It does take a lot of time to do it, and to do it in a fast motion as well, to get up that pace with a metronome if you have one. There's lots of apps, I know I'm sidetracking now, but there are lots of apps on metronomes, and especially when you're playing the drums, it is the best thing you can do to just play to a metronome. Even if you're playing and you're just doing semi-quavers, that's the best practice you can get. Before doing these videos and looking at these videos, you can do 4 semi-quavers to a metronome maybe, and then like a few others, like some crotchets and quavers in there to a metronome. Best thing you can do. Okay, so let's do these right, lefts. So what we're going to do is we're going to put an accent on the first right and the first left. Okay, so it's going to sound like this. Right, left. Okay, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left. Brilliant. Again, we are still doing Coca-Cola. Okay, if it was a little bit faster, it would sound, okay, right, left. Okay, if you get that practice in, you can speed up the metronome, speed up yourself, and then you can get to that point where you are doing that. Okay, when you're doing a fill in a song, so if you're doing like Coca-Cola as your fill in a song, then putting accents in there sounds a lot better. You probably can't hear it as much, but when you do that in a fill, it does sound a lot better than just doing the normal semi-quavers around. Okay, so let's do that one more time. We're going to do right, left, and first right is an accent and first left is also an accent. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Let's do it twice. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Brilliant. Okay. Then after this, if you want, do it 4 times, do it 8 times, do it as many times as you want, so you can get perfect with it. Another thing about doing accents is it's all about the wrist. All about the wrist. And when you get taught about how to use your sticks, you get taught to use your thumb and your first finger to have that on your stickers to be stable. Your other fingers are just there for sort of just to help put the stick into place. Like, they're not really important. It sort of helps with rolls, so I didn't really use many fingers there, I just used these 2 fingers. Okay, this is really good for accents as well because, okay, I'm using my 2 fingers there to help me with making that sound a lot louder. Okay, so if you can try and do that as well as these exercises, that's absolutely brilliant. If not, that's absolutely fine. This may just take you a little bit longer, and putting the wrist techniques in with these techniques as well just helps you to become more flexible when you're playing the drums as well. So I always try and put that in to any of my lessons, because the more wrist action you can use, the better, the more faster. When you practice it more and more and more, you could possibly try and do like rolls and faster fills and things like that, which is brilliant. That's what everyone wants to do. So okay, so accents. I'm gonna put a presentation in the link or in the comment box or whatever down below, so then you can have a look at what an accent looks like when you're reading music. It looks like a crocodile. It goes that way on top of the note. And if you want a recap of like notation and things like that, I do have another presentation, and I will put my email as well in the comment box, so you can email me about like notation and things if you want a recap of them as well. But I'll put some exercises in for you to try as well in the presentation, and again, if you get stuck on the exercises, just email me, that's absolutely fine. I think that's it for accents for now, since I'm going to give you some exercises to do. I'm going to now go on to ghost notes. So ghost notes are the absolute opposite. Ghost notes are quieter, and these ghost notes are a lot harder to do. So if you want to stop this video now and just practice on your accents, that's absolutely fine. Get them absolutely down perfect, and then you can go on to ghost notes, which are a lot harder to do. Ghost notes then. Let's start with right, left, our semiquavers, okay? So let's do our lefts as ghost notes this time. So we're going to do our rights as just normal notes, our lefts as ghost notes, which are quiet. Okay, so ready? Go. Okay, we'll try that again. Okay, that was maybe a bit too fast. We'll go a little bit slower. Okay, ready? Go. Right, left, right, left. Okay, these are very, very, very tricky to do, and you probably can't hear it as much on here because it's an electric drum kit. I was trying to do it there, but it's fine, and you can do it on your knees. So if I did it on my knees, if you can hear it there, then yeah, you can definitely do it. Okay, so next one we're going to do right, left. Now left this time are going to be our ghost notes, okay? Are we ready? Let's go. Okay, right, left. And again. Brilliant. I haven't said the words because I just want you to watch me and then replay and watch me and try and get it down, okay? I'll do it a little bit slower this time. Okay, these are very, very, very tricky. It's brilliant if you can do them, okay? Because again, if you can do your fills, put some accents and ghost notes in there, that makes it sound absolutely amazing. Okay, right, let's try again. Right, right, left, left. Brilliant. Another thing to do with these is paradiddles. So paradiddles are right, left, right, right, and then left, right, left, left. These are really with accents and ghost notes as well. So if you do like right, left, right, right, and then for ghost notes it could be like a left, right, left, as your ghost notes. Like your ghost notes will be on your left. That sounds better than just doing a paradiddle on its own, original. So they're a bit on ghost notes and accents. You can look back on these. I'm going to put a little bit of ghost notes on the presentation as well. I'm going to put it right at the end because they are, as I said, a lot more tricky to do. Ghost notes, if you look at them and read the music there, they're just brackets around the note that you're going to be playing. But I can put them on the presentation as well. That I'll put in like the comment section or whatever if I can try. But yeah, I think that's all for accents and ghost notes today. It is probably the best to do it on a snare rather than like the toms, but you can do it on whatever, like I've said, your knees. If it's not too loud, you can try it on like a practice pad or something that you can bang in the house that won't break or won't make too much noise. If you don't have a drum kit, that's fine. So that's it for today on accents and ghost notes. If you have any questions, please just email me. I'll try and put it in the comment box or something like that. But yeah, thank you very much.